Back in September, we've exclusively revealed the design of the Pixel 9a. We already see a CAD-based renders of the 9a have been outed for your viewing pleasure. The Pixel 9a prototype has just surfaced again with real-life images. You can clearly see that the display is flat here. The sides of the 9a appear to be made from aluminum like the Pixel 9 and feature the same matte finish. The alleged renders suggest a hole-punch display design for the phone. It appears to have flat edges as well. The SIM slot, USB-C port, and speaker all located on the bottom. Pixel 9a features a 6.1 inches 120Hz display. It is powered with a Tensor G4 processor, which provides top-class performance to the Google Pixel 9a. Equipped with an octa-core 3.1 GHz processor and paired with 8 GB of RAM, Pixel 9a featuring 50MP as the primary shooter, 13MP ultra-wide and a 32MP selfies camera, the Pixel 9a has got a 5000 mAh battery. We expect this to translate to an improved battery life, provided the phone gets other optimizations. The Pixel 9a is expected to launch in the spring, and it will be available in 4 colors, including a new silver color option. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.